Hi everyone, I am Venkatesh Arora, and when I was coming here from my college in Mumbai, I told one of my friends that this is my first TEDx, and she goes to say कि Venkatesh, ज़्यादा intellectual मत बनना, don't try to be too charming or witty, just be yourself, जो भी बोलना दिल से बोलना, but try to be yourself. So my reply to her was कि I'll try my best to be witty, charming, बिकॉज जो मना किया जाता है लाइफ में करने को उसको करने में अलग ही मजा होता है राइट सो देर आर थ्री थिंग्स दैट यू नीड टू नो अबाउट मी फर्स्ट आई एम वेंकटेश अरोरा and I'm actually from North India. I'm not from South India. Second is I'm the marshal, the field marshal at Swapna Foundation, and I also founded the Conscious Humans, which is basically a platform that aims to bridge the gap between climate education and climate action. And third, I'm colorblind. Now, why I am telling you all about this, I will come back to that later. So school में ना ऐसा था कि I was a very shy and nervous kid, and coming up in front of you all here and speaking my heart all to you, it's really a privilege. So I'll just narrate a story to all of you. Uh, मैं और मेरे भाई साथ में पढ़ते थे तो माय एल्डर ब्रदर वाज 3 years older than मी एंड हम लोग जो है जब मैं 12th में आया तो माय इंग्लिश टीचर न्यू अबाउट माय ब्रदर तो शी न्यू कि माय ब्रदर वाज दैट काइंड ऑफ एल्डर ब्रदर जो बहुत ओबीडिएंट होते हैं बहुत पढ़ते हैं पढ़ाई में बहुत अच्छे होते हैं एंड आई वाज दैट किड जो कि बहुत नटोरियस होते हैं एंड ही इज इन द आईज ऑफ एवरी टीचर कि भाई ये तो एक लड़का है जिसको आंख में रखना है बहुत शरारतें करता है so when I was in 12th standard, my English teacher just called me कि just call Venkatesh from his classroom. So I went there and एक hall था वहाँ पे all the teachers and students were sitting there. And she said कि Venkatesh, we are doing this play from Merchant of Venice and I want you to play the role of Bassanio. So I was like flabbergasted कि I haven't participated in any cultural events before and I'm only a sporty kind of person and she's asking me to play the lead role at a very famous play by William Shakespeare. So I was going through the script and I went to ma'am and I said कि ma'am ये मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा, I cannot do this, and I just ran away back to my class and I did not face her after that days. So एक वो time था जब I was really very shy and back to after passing my high school I joined this Lutheran organization named Swapna Foundation. So I got to know about that through a mutual friend of mine. And I was preparing for some defense examinations and I was preparing for NDA and I was also preparing for Merchant Navy. I cleared both of them, but color blindness की वजह से I could not achieve the dream of donning the uniform and serving my nation. So जब मैं prepare कर रहा था, I joined this organization named Swapna Foundation. And वहाँ पे I realized कि there are a lot of people and there is so much energy in youngsters nowadays कि they want to serve the society, they want to educate children, they want to talk to people, they want to go to the slums and they want to talk to them, but उनको वो platform नहीं मिल रहा है. Even I was the one जिसको वो platform नहीं मिल रहा था, so I joined this organization and I still remember the first day. There was this area in Lucknow called Nishadganj, and I went there and there was this slum established along the railway lines. And वहाँ पे I talked to some of the children. They were small huts and people. There were families of 12 people living in small huts there. So I went there. I talked to some of the children. It was fascinating the experience I had talking to the children there. I made some very really good friends. And I eventually got so immersed in that foundation work as a volunteer that I got up to the level of a field marshal in that particular organization. So just giving you all a backdrop, it's like we follow an army structure at the organization. So the person who joins the organization at first, he's a volunteer, he's a ranger. Then we move on to captain, scouts, commanders, and field marshal. So it took me 4 years to get to the position of a field marshal. And I feel so overwhelmed to tell you all this because it's been an amazing journey coming up to that position and helping people realize their potential because I've seen people getting inspired by me because I used to invest so much amount of energy and time into volunteering. And I still remember my mother used to say कि एक दिन क्या हुआ, I went to a event, it was a distribution event, एंड मैं सुबह 9 बजे निकला घर से. आई टोल्ड मम्मी कि मम्मी मैं 2 घंटे में वापस आता हूँ. तो शी सेड कि हाँ हाँ तुम्हारा 2 घंटा, आई नो what 2 hours means for you. And I went to the drive and I returned back home at around 8 in the evening. And she said कि हो गए तुम्हारे 2 घंटे. तो I said कि very sorry मम्मी, but she goes on to say कि तुम्हें क्या मिल रहा है, what are you getting out of this? Are you getting money? I said no. Are you getting fame? I said no. So she said, what are you getting out of it? Is it leading to your growth as an individual? So I said, no, ma'am, no, mummy, this is not about money or fame. It's about giving back to the society, because we are so privileged as an individual, all of us that are sitting in the room right here, that we have a roof to sit, we have food to eat 3 times a day. But there are people in slum areas that do not have meal to eat even once a day. So that for me was what inspired me to work for them. And I used to observe what effect climate change has on those people in the slum areas. So I believe that अगर उनको हम realize नहीं कराएंगे इस बारे में कि actual में they don't have the resources to adapt to the climate change. तो हम लोग क्या करते थे, हम लोग वहाँ slum से जाते थे, we used to talk to the children there about climate change, उनको हम educate करते थे, बताते थे कि earth systems कैसे work करते हैं. तो they used to really like what we did. And I think moving on to 2022, we started this platform named The Conscious Humans. So it's basically a platform जहाँ पे हम लोगों ने एक blogging website बनाई. And I started this with one of my co-colleagues, Sarah. She's also be giving a speech here. So we started it because we believe that हम लोग जब भी बात करते थे, we used to go to the street areas. And एक बार क्या हुआ कि हम लोग हजरतगंज में एक एरिया है, आप लोग से मैं आई थिंक कुछ लोग होंगे यहाँ पे जो लखनऊ गए होंगे. तो देयर इज एन एरिया इन लखनऊ कॉल्ड हजरतगंज. तो वहाँ पे हम लोग क्या करते थे, हम लोग बैनर्स बनाते थे पहले, एंड बैनर्स बना के हम लोग स्ट्रीट्स पे जाते थे लोगों से बात करने के लिए एंड उनको अवेयर करने के लिए. तो वी वेंट देयर एंड वी रियलाइज कि लोगों को पता ही नहीं है क्लाइमेट चेंज होता क्या है. तो वी यूज टू टॉक टू देम एंड वी यूज टू राइट इन द बैनर्स, ह्यूमन चेंज नॉट क्लाइमेट चेंज, climate change is happening, 1.5 degrees Celsius, Paris Agreement. तो लोग आते थे एंड दे यूज्ड टू सी अस लाइक दिस एंड दे यूज्ड टू थिंक कि यार ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. तो वी यूज्ड टू टॉक टू देम एंड वी यूज्ड टू आस्क देम कि आपको पता है भैया जलवायु परिवर्तन क्या होता है, आपको पता है क्लाइमेट चेंज क्या होता है. एंड दे यूज्ड टू गो लाइक नहीं भैया हम तो यहाँ पे अपनी रोजी रोटी कमा रहे हैं, हमें नहीं पता है क्लाइमेट चेंज क्या होता है. तो वी यूज टू एक्चुअली टेल देम अबाउट इट एंड दे एक्चुअली यूज टू टेक इंटरेस्ट. अगर 10 मिनट हम उनसे बात करते तो वो पूरे 10 मिनट हमारी बातें सुनते थे. एंड दे यूज टू से आप लोग बहुत बढ़िया काम कर रहे हो. There was this one time जब we used to conduct cleanup drives in different areas. So till this point we have collected over 8,000 kilograms of non-biodegradable waste, and we have successfully also collaborated with Nagar Nigam जहाँ पे हम लोग ने उनको वो waste दिया and they have also recycled that waste. So it's been a long journey and we went to this one drive जहाँ पे हम लोग plog walk कर रहे थे. तो plog walk is basically picking up litter while walking or jogging. तो हम लोग करीबन 20 लोग की टीम थी. तो वी वर इन दिस एरिया कॉल्ड महानगर एंड हम लोग वहाँ पे चल रहे थे. एंड जो वहाँ पे पान वाले होते हैं दे क्रिएट अ ह्यूज मेस अराउंड देयर शॉप्स. तो जब हम लोग वहाँ पे उनके एरिया अराउंड क्लियर कर रहे थे तो वी सॉ सम पान वाले. तो वो लोग क्या कर रहे थे, उन्होंने देखा कि यार ये लोग यहाँ पे कूड़ा पिक करने आए हैं. तो वो जल्दी से अपने शॉप के बाहर आए एंड दे हैड दैट झाड़ू इन देयर हैंड एंड दे स्टार्टेड स्वीपिंग द एरिया इन फ्रंट ऑफ देयर शॉप्स. तो इट्स लाइक ऐसा नहीं है कि आप जो काम कर रहे हो इट्स नॉट इम्पैक्टिंग पीपल, इट्स नॉट पुटिंग दैट थॉट इनसाइड देयर हेड कि हाँ हमें हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, अगर हमारा एरिया है तो हमें उसे साफ रखना है. अगर अगर क्लाइमेट चेंज हो रहा है तो इट्स हैपनिंग बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल ऑफ अस एंड वी ऑल हैव एन रोल टू प्ले इंडिविजुअली. बिकॉज जब तक इंडिविजुअल कलेक्टिव एक्शन नहीं होगा तब तक वी कैन नॉट फाइट दिस क्राइसिस. So I think we started in 2022. We started the Conscious Humans, and it was stemmed from the fact, from the field experiences, from the ground experiences कि लोगों को पता नहीं क्लाइमेट चेंज क्या होता है. तो we started this magazine called the Conscious Humans. So it's a 50-page magazine. It's also available on Kindle as well. So आप लोग जरूर उसको पढ़ना जाके. And I guess in that magazine we have featured around 18 people under the age of 18 who are doing awesome work in the space of climate advocacy, who have their own startups, who have their organization, non-for-profits, and they're working for environmental conservation, for advocacy, for awareness. And we featured editorials. We offered that platform जहाँ पे लोग आ सकते हैं, अपने editorials contribute कर सकते हैं. They can write about climate change. So you must be asking कि इतनी देर से ये क्लाइमेट चेंज कर रहे हैं, what is the purpose? अगर मतलब हमें क्या करना है ऐसे, अगर दुनिया खत्म हो गई तो कोई बात नहीं, हम तो यहाँ पे 50-60 साल के लिए आए हैं, उसके बाद चले जाएंगे, तो what role do we have to play, right? ये thoughts आ रहे होंगे आपके मन में. So to this I would only like to say that each of us has a role to play, and if we are born in this earth, on this planet earth, we have a role to play, because ultimately life is all about, finding your purpose, finding your purpose to serve the society. If you're privileged, giving back to the underprivileged, and making organizations that create impact, that create a huge amount of impact in your life. And when I was reading this quote by Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw. So the former Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, when she asked him, ki, Sam Manekshaw, Field Marshal Sam Manekshaw, are you ready to go with war over Bangladesh with Pakistan in 1971? So he said that, Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, I'm always ready. So if I ask you all that, are you all ready to be the leaders of tomorrow? Are you all ready to be the change makers of tomorrow and fulfill your purpose and give back to the society? What shall be your response? I'm always ready. Right. Okay. Thank you so much for giving me the time to portray my story. And I think it's been a really great opportunity to talk to all of you. And I think all the things that I've talked about here, it will strike a chord within you, and it will inspire you to be the leaders for tomorrow. And that is what matters in the end. Thank you so much for your time.